What's up, guys? How you doing? Beautiful day. We're gonna go riding right after we get done changing the oil on this 2014 KTM 450 SXF. This is a factory edition, beautiful bike. We want to get this done as fast as possible. So to make things faster, we want to start the bike and get it warmed up. That way the oils warm up and they come out quicker. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to tap the start button, let the fuel pump prime it, pull out the cold start. While we're doing that, we have the Motor X factory oil that KTM recommends. That's what we're doing. And then we have a KTM factory oil filter. First, we're going to take out the drain plug with a 13mm. Once you get it loose, I like to use my fingers. Push pressure up on the plug as you're doing it, and then unthread it. That way you don't get oil, premature oil, coming out on you while you're trying to unthread it. And then when it's loose, just pull it out. And there you go. So now we're going to take out this plug. Same thing once you get it loose. That just comes out. Okay, so then next, the oil filter sits behind this cover right here. This is a 8mm socket. Now that we have the bolts out, the easiest way to get the cover off is by twisting it this way, and then using the flange to pull it off like that. And then there sits our oil filter. Get the oil filter out can be kind of hard. I like to use a pick like this just to shimmy it in there and then to pull it out. So we got the new filter installed, so we're going to put the cover back on. It's got a rubber seal on there, so I like to put it offset and then pushing and screwing at the same time so you don't tear that. So I'm going to use the same pick as well. There is a screen in the first cover, not in the first, but the second bolt that we took out. We're going to pull that out and just inspect it to make sure there's nothing nasty on it, to make sure that the mesh is still intact and there's no big chunks. You can use a brake cleaner or a starting fluid to clean it, just to blow anything out of it that is on it. That's probably what we need to do. Actually, I don't know. Clean. So that looks pretty good. So then we're going to install that back in there. Make sure it gets seated right. And then this is the plug. Make sure you didn't add any contaminants to the bike while you had the plug off. So back to the first plug that we pulled out. We're going to inspect the screen on this and make sure that there is no contaminants on it as well. And it looks clean and ready to go. So we're going to reach back through and we're going to install this plug. Oh, don't do that.
There you go.
Okay, so this is the view glass that you look to see when you have the right amount of oil. It's supposed to be within that range. I like to do it just a little bit above half. That is my personal preference. That is where the oil should be visible, and that's how you know it's full. And that's that. Also, probably before you call it a wrap, probably it's a good time to walk around the bike. Probably need to check your chain tension. Mine is looser than it should be. And then also, it's a good time to check your oil filter or air filter. Mine looks decent, not that great. Okay, so we got the oil on the bike changed, and now we're gonna head to the dunes and go rip them up.
So excited.
Yeah. If you guys don't know who we are the Scenic Route Travelers, and weekly we are posting fun new adventures that are easy to replicate for you guys so that you guys can go out and explore your own backyards. Give us a like on this video, make sure to click subscribe, it'll be right here, and then the video of us at the dunes, boom, right here. Make sure to check them both out, and
Watch our other videos.
yay, thank you.